Okay, so I just added another element to have like more elements here. So we have this list composed by Robert, Chris, Carlin, Mark, and Jeremy. And well, we have indexing. As I told you, this thing starts from 0. This guy is 1. This guy over to is 2, 3, and 4. Okay, so this is how you index each one of them. If you wanna actually access the first one, so you just like write this, you will actually get Robert. But if you access like 4, you would get Jeremy, right? Which is really, really easy. But you can also write negative numbers. If you write -1, you could get the last number. Okay, so the last element, sorry. So last element. And you're guessing correctly if you write -2, well, -3, that would be Scarlet. So here you start from right to left. So this guy would be -1, this guy would be -2, this one would be -3, -4, and -5. Okay, so usually I recommend this for the last elements, just because it's easier, just to access like the -1 or -2, depending on what you want to do.